Okay, we're going to take a break from our normally hard-hitting real estate topics. Talk about something that we all love. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream, ice cream. That's right. Jeff's top 5 favorite Northeast Florida ice cream stops. And we'll move from 5 to 1. And number 5 on the list is actually the only one that I haven't personally been to, but I've heard good things from friends. There were a ton of good reviews online, and I needed something that was a bit different location and vibe than the rest of the list. And so Gator Ice Cream out at the beach. Check it out. You can get all the info on their website. They have like dozens of flavor options that you can see on the website, and that's gatoricecream.com. You can see all of the links to these companies at our post on jacksonvillerealestatevideos.com in case you're checking this video on YouTube. Number 4 and number 3 have a similar vibe, and that is that as much as I like the product and enjoy the ice cream, there's also an element of interaction and entertainment that goes with the production of the ice cream. So at number 4, we have Milkster, which is in San Marco, and it's this like fancy nitrogen process for you get the base and then you pick your toppings and then they put it together via nitrogen and poof, out comes ice cream. And I don't have any particular favorites there. Of what I've had, it was all good, but you've got, it's make your own, so plenty of choices. Number 3 is 5FX. This is over at Southside and Bay Meadows Road, so on the south side. Same idea, except you're not picking the things or hand picking the condiments and additions yourself. You are asking the employees to do it, and they make it in front of you on this steel frozen board. I don't know what it's called, but the milk that they use is freezing while they're putting your toppings together, which is pretty cool. And that's 5FX at Southside and Bay Meadows. At number 2 is Jeremiah's. There are several locations: San Jose, Beaches, Mandarin. I think there's one at the town center somewhere. Anyways, there's several different locations. Again, linked in the post. Get the peanut butter cup. It's a pre-made combo with both like ice cream or gelati, whatever they want to call it, and ice. And I'm using ice cream loosely here because I guess this is more of an Italian ice place. It's called Jeremiah's Ice, I think. Nevertheless, get the peanut butter cup. It's phenomenal. And then at number 1 is my all-time favorite to grab. Certainly you could eat it in the store, I suppose, but grab one of their cartons to go, take it back to the house, put it in the garage freezer before I walk into the house because I don't want the kids to know that it's there. And Parent Trap is what you want at Mayday. Same thing, several locations all over town. Depending on where you live, check Google Maps first to see which one's closest. But Mayday has great product. Several other of their ice creams are good. Our kids love it as well. But for the adults, Parent Trap is my far and above favorite. Hope this is helpful for your next family night out to go get ice cream. If you have any ice cream or real estate questions, feel free to reach out. 904-405-1995 and Jeff at pursuitrealestate.com. Talk to you soon. Bye.